Open a new tab and open a Google slide document. Here you can create your slide presentation. Now the question is that where is Slide AI tool? To access the AI tool, click on the extension button from here, and then Slides AI.io. Here you will get three options: Generate, Slide Magic, Edit, and Edit Slides with Slides AI. We will explore all of these. Now first select Generate Slide to start our Create First presentation. With AI, it may take some time to load the workspace. Alright, now you have to answer questions to set up your profile. Select your role or occupation. I select Student, then select how often you create a presentation. I select Week, and in the last, how you heard about Slide AI. Just select one option and click on the next step on this page. You can enter an invite code. You can use 505, 208 as your invitation code. You can skip it also. Alright, this is the slide generator page here. You can generate slides in two ways. First, if you have a document for your own text, and the other one is if you have only the idea. Let's try with From a Topic. I will also try this option. Click on the From a Topic tab form here. Now we have to enter our topics. For example, I am entering the cell biology in the next text box. You can enter some additional information which must contain in the presentation. You can skip it also on the left side. You can change the slide number. Then make sure the image checkbox is marked. After all is set, hit the Create Slides button from here. Now I will take some time to create this. Alright, our slide presentation is ready. Let's have a look at this. It's really amazing. The design is so crystal clear and the information is commendable. I like the visuals. It's looking so professional. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments section. If you think it could be valuable, then share the videos with your friends. Okay, let's move on to the next feature. Now we will make a slide with text. Some information is required there. What is presentation type? I select educational, but you select according to you propose. And don't forget to check these two options. I will make a create presentation with AI and copy-paste method presentation on the topic of World War II. And Wikipedia is the river of knowledge. You have to enter a minimum of 350 characters and a maximum of 2,500 characters to create the slide. I will copy some paragraphs from Wikipedia and paste them into Slide AI. Then click the Create Slides button. Now wait some time to get your final result. And here it is. Our slide has been generated. You can see the slides, how nicely they summarize the content and create a visually appealing presentation. Slide AI adds some graphs and images. Also, it's really commendable. Okay, this image is not sound. So let's try the image editor tool. Select the slide you want to customize and then click on the replace. The image. Now there is two options. You can upload from your computer and you can also use Google search. To change the images, just search and select the image would you like and click on. Use this image. Your image will be changed immediately. Alright, you can download presentation as a PPT file if you want to use it on Microsoft PowerPoint. Alright, I know you're very excited to finish your work in 5 minutes now. We move to the next feature of this amazing AI presentation tool. Now, I will tell you about how can you edit your slides with AI. Okay, here is two options: Create and Remix. In Remix, you just enter the topic and choose the layout. I select the topic Causes of World War II, then click on Generate. It take few minutes. Our slide is ready. Look, this is amazing. AI separate the causes of World War II in 3 sections. It really cool.